In this video, an instructor will update the course progress for a learner. So let's track the progress of a student in the core learning program. I'm just going to go into that course now. You'll scroll down to the learner results by module and notice that there's to-do wording to the right that indicates that the form needs to be filled in and that the required grade is 100%. So the next step is to click on the link and open up the form. On the form that appears, you'll see where you choose your school name and then below it, the learner that you're assigning the hours and the completed modules for. In the section for the modules, you will notice one for employment, vehicle components, rules and regulations, and so forth. So you'll enter as a learner completes a module, the hours that were used in each of these. The ones that I'm showing right now are just as a sample. You can save this for a person and later return to continuing entering module information, such as the course grade, checking off for more modules that were complete, and entering comments. When all the modules are checked and completed, and you've entered the grade 100. Anything else but 100 and the course will not be completed. Add in any comments in the comment box related to how they did in a module or the course overall. Comments are mandatory. The course will not be completed without a comment included. Click Save, and then you can navigate back to the course name in the breadcrumb trail.